Trusted by thousands of businesses just like yours, let's see what Class4Kids can do for you. Parents create their own child profile and then book a class in just 3 clicks. Your schedule page can be embedded on your website or added to your Facebook page where your customers are hanging out. With Apple and Google Play as standard, you'll instantly have access to the most modern booking experience for your customers. It's a great way to maximize the number of bookings you receive and just watch the sessions fill up and the money roll in. Registers are the heart of your business. It's the stuff you and your coaches need to know on a daily basis, so it's essential that the right information is easy to find. As soon as a parent books their child onto a class, you'll see that child appear on the correct register. You'll see if there's any medical information or notes, any outstanding balances to pay, and of course, you can control coach access so they can then mark attendance, send messages, view responses to registration questions, convert trials, and manage waiting lists all from the register. It even works great on mobile, and that's just the basics. Knowing that your coaches have all the information they need at their fingertips will give you the confidence to add capacity, classes, and even new locations. When you're running a business, things don't always go to plan. Let's imagine one of your coaches is unwell and the session has to be cancelled last minute. How do you deal with it? With Class4Kids, it's as simple as going to the class register, selecting all students, and sending an email or text to all parents from one place. You can see whether they've got the message and whether they've read it. Communicating well with your parents and keeping them updated is essential, we know that, which is why all booking confirmations, invoices, receipts, and more are all sent to parents automatically when the time is right. In fact, there are over 40 automated message templates that mean your customers always feel reassured without you having to remember to send hundreds of emails. We know that not all clubs operate the same way, which is why we offer loads of flexibility. When it comes to payments, you may wish to secure payments up front, or you may prefer to send out invoices. You might make term payments, or maybe you prefer to run monthly subscriptions. The choice is yours, and whatever you choose, our team has made it really easy to get paid what you're due, to pause payments, update invoices, or to refund when required. We have even thought about how you might run your sessions outside with limited Wi-Fi. So we have offline registers, which means you can still use a system on mobile even when internet isn't available. We also give you a simple print format if you still prefer to use pen and paper occasionally. These are only a few examples. It's our way of saying however you run, we get it and we make it easy.